Hello YouTubers, thanks for checking out another episode from How to Webmaster. My name is Leon, and today I'm going to show you how to make money online by entering in CAPTCHA. What are CAPTCHAs? So this is an example of CAPTCHAs. When you register an account at a website, usually you have to enter in these CAPTCHA. You've probably seen this over and over many times. Since you've already filled out so many CAPTCHAs, why not make money from filling them out? Pretty easy job. So here's a service called 2Captcha, and they are paying people to fill out these CAPTCHAs. And here's some information, and I'll leave the links below this video. So this place came highly recommended, 2Captcha, and here's another one called, I can't even pronounce it correctly, Kolotibablo. So these two sites are highly recommended to make money from entering CAPTCHAs. You're not gonna get rich from doing this. People have earned as much as $200 or more a month. So this is probably good for people in third world countries that need some extra income, looking for pretty easy data entry job. So here it takes only minutes to create an account at 2Captcha, and I've already created an account. And also at this other place, Colo, I'm gonna just call it Colo for short, and you can register. Takes minutes. There's no additional verification or anything complicated. Takes less than 1 minute to register. After registering, you will be able to log in, and I'm going to start with 2Captcha first before I go on to the Colo one. And once you logged in, click on I'm a worker here, click next. So this is my first time logging in. I'm not sure what to expect. So here we have the current rate is 38 cents. So you enter in 1,000 CAPTCHAs, you get 38 cents for image CAPTCHAs, and if you enter in 1,000 recaptchas, which is a more difficult form of CAPTCHAs, I mean it's still relatively easy to type in. It's just more popular because a lot of websites uses recaptchas since it's more secure. So let's see where I need to go to start work. So this looks like a good place to start right here, start work. And we have something called training mode. So apparently before you actually get to start making money, you need to complete this training, which is fast, free, and easy. So you're pretty much entering some example or practice entering in these CAPTCHAs just to prove yourself. Alright, so let's click start and see what it looks like. So welcome, you see the image, text, type in. So type it in and then send. Alright, so just let's continue. Okay, so I completed 41 out of 42, and here it says this is the last CAPTCHA, and then I can begin work. So let's start making some money. Okay, let's agree and start. So here you can select the language that you speak, and then they can send you more CAPTCHAs. So I'm gonna stick with English for now. Confirm. So you can increase your earnings if you work through this 2Captcha bot, which is a program that you install, and then it'll provide you with recaptcha. So let's click on start. And when you start, if there's no CAPTCHAs available, it seems to just keep on going. The most popular times are usually at night. Oh, there's one. I'm not really fast at doing this. Oh, look at that. I've earned way less than a penny to type that in. Go me. And they even have a mobile version to make to enter the captchas. So this one's a little bit tricky. I can't see the bottom, so I'm not sure what I'm typing in, but I think that's what it is. Alright, look at that. 2 entered. Okay, we have another one. And I'm not sure if I need to enter in this I over here or not, but I hope this works. Alright, I'm going to stop for now. So at this rate, I'll probably make $1 an hour at most. Make sure you install this extra 2Captcha bot. Okay, let's try the other one, the Colo one. And this one pays a little bit more, $1.02 for the recaptcha. And they do need for you to install this certificate and this browser plugin so that you can work with recaptcha. Okay, so I'm going to not mess around with this for now. I'm just going to see how this works at Colo. And if you want to earn more, go ahead and install these things. It seems pretty easy. And the rate here for the regular captcha is 0.4 cents per 1,000. So let's see how it works here at Colo. So here you don't even need to do the training. You can just start right away. And this is a pretty crazy looking captcha. No clue if this is right or not. Never seen this captcha before with this meter per second. So here it looks a little bit faster. Seems like there's a lot more work here compared with 2Captcha. Things come a lot faster. There's not much waiting. So if I was gonna choose between the two, I'm definitely going with Colo. A lot more work. The more you enter, the more you make. So right there, I've already entering what 7 already, and it took, in that span of time, I would have done only 2 or 3 at 2Captcha. So this place is a lot better so far, and it's kind of fun too. It's kind of addicting entering these captchas. Alright, here's the trick one. No idea what that is. I'm going to go with J S. Alright, I'm going to pause this one. So this is the last one I'm going to do today and call it a day. Is it uppercase or lowercase? How can I tell? Alright. So we got 11, and I made a 1/4 of a penny, which is better than 2Captcha, 1/10 of a penny. So I made a lot more money here, more quickly. So if I was using the recaptcha, I would be making 3 to 4 times more. So these websites looks very professional. Comes highly recommended again. Very easy to use. Everything's laid out nicely. I definitely recommend this. If you want to make some extra money doing easy work, go check it out. I'll leave the links in my description below this video. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to How to Webmaster for more internet marketing tips, tricks, and other make money tips. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Thanks again, and until next time, happy money making.